All right. What's going on, Team Mara? This is JR directly from Zagreb in Croatia. Today is April 15 of 2023. This is my video number 40. That's right, video number 40. I'm just trying to find the whole thing with the lighting. Okay, perfect. So what I'd like to share with you guys today is what's going to happen, what will happen once we break through the 200 exponential moving average. Okay, because a lot happens once you are there, and I'm just going to share with you the view of Marathon Detail Holdings, ticker symbol MARA, all the way from what you can see. It's the break to the breakup, the breakout to the upside from all the way here. It's July of 2020. Okay, July of 2020. So now let's begin. I have to work with this lighting. All right, perfect. So this point to this point, this is A, this is B. Marathon Detail Holdings, my favorite crypto miner, crypto mining, multiplies by 3.6. So every $1,000 you make up to $3,600, and then it goes all the way back. So you always have to remember that once you have a big breakthrough, you might have a pullback. There's a very strong pullback, which, by the way, it's usually all the way back to the 78.6% of Fibonacci. So keep that in mind, all right? And after that, a couple pullbacks, and then once again, you go all the way up. This time, you make 2 times your money. So I want you to use this example of what we are going to experience in the next couple months. All right, this is because mainly year to date the asset is up 234%, 5 years 96%. The last month 67% up. This week only this week was a 53% return. That's something that you have to consider. So what do I expect from this point? If I go to other levels, let's say, for example, support back on May of 2022, the story is a little bit different. The story is 54%. After that, you make 84%. But take a look. That is a $20 move to the upside. That's $20, 20 points. And finally, you have the big kahuna. Initially 25 points. Finally, the blowout top, which is goes all the way. Makes sense because it goes all the way with the extremely overbought RSI. That makes perfect sense. And that's $49 to the upside. And the rest is, well, we know what happened. And once we have the final breakdown, this breakout to the downside on December 2021, that's the end for it. So I think we have been in a very strong bear trend that we're about to break. There you go. Surprise, surprise. We just did it. We just did it this week. So something that you want to pay attention. Okay. Something that you want to pay attention because from this point, it's game on. Okay. So I want every one of you guys paying attention because it's time to trade the bull market that we have in Bitcoin. And that will be translated into ticker symbol MARA, Marathon Detail Holdings, which is my favorite crypto miner. You can also trade Riot, that's RIOT, Riot Platforms. And there's a few others that I'm happy. If you have anything else that you're trading, you can absolutely go and share that on the comments. I actually also like if you like to review that particular opportunity in China, NCTY, it's trading around $1.10. You can give it a go. Okay. So the reality is that we're back. And this is very important when you go back and check my video about Paul Tudor Jones. If you want to save yourself $100,000, a full MBA, buy stocks that are they display strength, fortaleza. And that's the case, is what we are right there. Okay. Do you see that? Perfect. So pay attention to that and always review the structure. So from this point, if I'm very optimistic based on the range from the low to this point, that's $7, $7 full projection from this point, from the breakout, that will take us to at least conservative 705. around $17. So there are multiple opportunities to the upside. To the downside, if you're looking for reloading your position, breakout, and this breakout, 895, 676, looking at the daily chart, those are your entry opportunities. That means that don't be surprised if we have a pullback equal 25, 26%, or a deeper pullback that will equal to a 43% from the closing price as of yesterday. Okay, that's very important to understand. I think we are in a bull market. Evidence is not just my opinion. There's plenty of evidence. Prices are now trading above the 200 exponential moving average on the daily chart, and that guys, everyone that is on the team Mara. Although we know that investing and trading is risky, this speculative position, it's ready, set to go. One key stop will be $17. Don't miss out. Remember, don't leverage your position. Don't ask for money for this. Use per change. Make sure you are actually avoiding margin, because if you do that, what happens is if you have these pullbacks, this is pretty basic what happens in Bitcoin, because it's a high volatility, high yield asset. There is no surprises, because you're coming from a 2.4, almost a strong, almost three times your money. And remember, year to date, the stock is up 234%. So a 45% pullback from this level as of yesterday won't change a thing. It won't, okay? Guys, thank you so much. It's Saturday. Enjoy time with your family. Get some rest. Maybe read a book. Don't forget to smile. And I see you tomorrow. Until then, above all, and all in all, God bless America.